Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are drawing Rumi from K-pop Demon Hunters step by step using only a pencil. Make sure you have your pencil, eraser and paper ready. Take your time with every step. Don't rush. Drawing is about control, not speed. Let's start. First, we draw a simple circle. Don't worry about making it perfect, light lines only. Now, from the bottom of the circle, draw 2 lines going down slightly inward to form the jaw. Close it with a small curved line to create the chin. Rumi has a soft but confident face shape, so avoid making the chin too sharp. Now draw a vertical guideline through the center of the face. Then add a horizontal guideline for the eyes, slightly below the middle of the circle. These guidelines will help us keep everything symmetrical. Rumi's eyes are strong and expressive. Start with the upper eyelid. Draw a slightly curved, thick line. Make the outer corner a little sharper. Now draw the lower eyelid with a softer, lighter curve. Inside the eye, draw a large iris. Leave space for highlights. This makes the eyes look alive. Add the pupil in the center and shade it dark. Now repeat the same process on the other side. Take your time here. Eyes are the most important part of anime drawings. Add eyebrows above the eyes. Keep them slightly angled to give her that confident, powerful look. For the nose, draw a very small short line in the center. Anime noses are simple, don't overdo it. Now the mouth. Draw a small curved line for a calm expression. Rumi usually has a composed but strong personality, so keep the mouth subtle. You can add a tiny line under the lower lip for depth. Now the fun part, the hair. Start by drawing the hairline above the forehead, then sketch the main hair shape around the head. Think of hair as large sections first, not individual strands. Draw the big shapes that frame the face. Rumi's hairstyle has volume, so let the hair extend beyond the head circle. Now divide the big shapes into smaller strands. Use sharp, confident strokes. Add some overlapping lines to create depth. Don't press too hard yet. Keep everything adjustable. Draw 2 lines down from the jaw for the neck. Keep it slim but natural. Add the shoulders slightly slanted. If you want, you can sketch part of her outfit from K-pop demon hunters, maybe the collar or upper clothing details. Keep the focus mainly on the face for this tutorial. Now erase the guidelines carefully. Start refining your lines. Darken the final outlines with cleaner strokes. Fix symmetry issues if you see any. This is where your drawing starts looking professional. Now let's add shading. Start under the hair where shadows naturally fall on the forehead. Shade lightly under the bangs. Add shadow under the chin to separate it from the neck. Darken inside the hair sections, especially where strands overlap. Use smooth pencil pressure. Don't scribble randomly. Follow the direction of the hair. Add a slight shadow under the upper eyelid for depth. If you want stronger contrast, darken the pupil and eyelashes. Now step back and look at your drawing. Does anything look off? Adjust it. Add small details like extra hair strands or stronger highlights. If you want, you can outline it with a black pen or marker, or keep it as a clean pencil sketch. And that's it, your Rumi drawing is complete. If you made it this far in the video, comment below, I finished Rumi. And tell me, which character should we draw next? Should we continue with K-pop demon hunters, or switch to another anime character? Your comments decide the next tutorial. If this video helped you, like the video, share it with a friend who loves drawing, and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step anime tutorials. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Keep practicing. Consistency beats talent. See you in the next drawing session.